Hello everyone, Sam here from CreativeTradingSystem.com. I'm making this video as a weekly recap and trades taken last week. So let's get started. Week started on the 2nd, February 2nd, and this is the first trade, EURUSD from 7-minute chart, 7-minute chart entry. And my 40-minute charts are setup charts and entry charts are 7-minute and 20-minute, right? These charts are Renko charts, so they are, different time frame. Don't get confused. So this is it now. So this is the first trade. Sell order is right there, the yellow mark. SL move to break even plus. All the trades are according to the setup taken by my ECTS7 expert advisor robot, right? So let's see. This is the first one, 400 pip to the downside, Euro Aussie from 7-minute chart. The next trade on the second, same thing, Pound Aussie. Aussie was getting strong, so that's why Pound Aussie, Euro Aussie both went down. This is the same kind of entry here as a sell order, and SL moved to break even plus for 95 pip on the second as well. Now on the second, USD yen went up 70 pip, buy orders right there. And this one is Euro Aussie. I think this is well, I don't know. On the second, right? So this is a continuation of the same entry, and look, it ended up 180 pip on the second. Why? Because we were here, and then I'll drop a little bit, and after that, there's a news, and then boom, it went down big time, right? Similarly, Pound Aussie did the same thing, but it is the first entry I got, and I think I have a second entry. I don't know. This is on the second as well for 65 pip. And no, I don't have the Pound Aussie second entry. So now, Euro USD on the second as well, 55 pips. Sell order is right there. And let's see, the next one is Aussie yen, just like USD yen. All yen pair was going up. They were going up, and then on the second as well, a lot of trades on the second. And this is for 140 pip. Why? Because Aussie was getting strong. We saw Euro Aussie, Pound Aussie went down big time because of the strength in Aussie dollar. And Aussie dollar was getting strong, yen was getting weaker, and this is the result. 140 pip in a straight line. And also, again, this one is from the 20-minute chart. That was from the 7-minute entry. This is the 20-minute chart entry. And on the second. So now on the third, you can see pound yen as well. Entry was earlier, but I didn't close, and then boom, it went all the way to the upside. Entry was on the second, on this one as well. But it didn't move much, and then on the third, went up big time. 130 pip from the 7-minute chart entry. Euro yen also the same kind of thing, same kind of chart. You can see here both went up. Why? Because yen was getting weaker, right? So all yen pair supposed to go up when the yen gets getting weaker or strong. When it's when it gets strong, the yen index will drop, and all yen pair will follow to the yen index, and they will drop as well. So now this one, CAD yen, see, pound yen, euro yen, CAD yen, Aussie yen, all went up. This is on the fourth. You can see a beautiful entry right there. Buy orders right there for 100 pip. This one is pound yen again, 195 pip. Yeah. Probably the same entry or from this Umar's computer, maybe from his account. Pound USD 7-minute chart. Look at that. Beautiful entry all the way down, right? All you got to do is look my 40-minute chart setup and then take the entry. That's it. This is Aussie yen on the 5th going down, and then pound yen on the 5th going down for 120 pip. Beautiful entry right there. Sell orders. SL is moved to break even plus 120 pip on the 5th. On the 6th, Euro Aussie. Euro Aussie. This is the first the entry. I took it, but I didn't close. So look what happened to this entry coming down all the way. And I'll show you what happened actually. And this is ending up here for 150 pip. Why? Because I recorded the chart, the first one, but I didn't close. Why? Because my target was all the way to the downside. Let me show you what was my 40-minute chart and the target. Okay, let me just go there and then quickly show you. My chart was this one, right, on the 5th. So this is the area. It was there. So I said from here, it's gonna drop all the way here. So when I recorded the chart, it was here. So I says, well, let me just see that if it continue going to the downside, I'm not going to close. I was watching it on the 20-minute chart for a reversal, but that didn't come, and then it went down all the way to 67. In fact, yeah, 67.86, I guess. Let me see. This is 68.27. Right? Yeah. So right now it is at that. We close the the day Friday at 68.27, which is a big number. And from all the way from the top, the entry is 150 pip trade. Right? That's how, like I said, that I plan my trade ahead of time, and then when the plan is happening, then I, enter into the trade. And similarly, if you look at this pound yen, look at that beautiful entry going all the way to the upside. But this is the first one. The second, I didn't close this one as well. Waited a little bit more and end up with this 130 pip. Same thing. It went up 30 pip more. And then I finally closed. Okay. And this one, you can see pound Aussie, just like Euro Aussie. It was going down 80 pip, the first chart I recorded, but then I says, well, I think the market is still going to move until closing, and I'm going to hold on to it and see what happens. And this one end up like this as well. Same entry, but all the way, it was here when I first recorded, but then all the way down for 140 pip. This is the beauty about this, watching the indexes. I'll tell you in the next video sometime. Okay, so and then the last but not the least is the Aussie yen on the 6th for 75 pip going to the upside. Beautiful entry. This one, I don't know what happened. My CTS7 didn't open the trade here, but when I saw that, it says, what the heck happened? So I opened manually here. Okay. So that's how, you don't see the error here because this was taken manually after missing this entry here. Actually, this was a good entry as well, but that's what happened. All right. So, and let me show you some more before chart, for example. I showed you already this one that it was here, all the way down here, and I got 140 pip trade from this. For a couple of more examples, for example, let me see if I show you the USD yen, for example, right? So on the 31st, I says, last Saturday, right? It was here. So I said, well, the week is going to start and then this thing is going to go up. The target is this, but it went up all the way here. Let's see if I can show you the chart. Look at that. Instead of going up here and then stop, it dropped, boom, went up all the way to here. At 161, the cap pattern is completed, but it didn't stop there. It went up or even higher to touch the weekly R2, weekly pivot R2. And then now staying there, and then it may go up a little bit more when the market is going to open on Monday and hit the 78% and then drop. That's what I'm expecting. I'm going to make a new chart. I already did, by the way. So I'll wait and see. If my motto is this, like after having a reversal candle on 40, I need the reversal candle, short reversal candle like here, like this one, right, with a very small body in the middle. And then I will wait and then see on my 7-minute chart if I can get a short entry. For example, what kind of short entry? Short entry look like this. So let me just show you. Short entry like this. See, it was here all the way, finishing some bullish move, right? But then a reversal candle will take the price all the way down here. And right after that, if I start looking, I see that the price goes down, and then now it's a short entry. This one is a short entry. This was a short entry. Then I take one of these entry and final destination to the downside. That's how simple it is. Right? After reversal candle, see this? The reversal candle from the top, by the time the reversal candle ended up or finished, the price is already here somewhere. Right? So they become bearish, but the setup is not there. So I'm going to have to wait, right, for the setup. And I did, and then my expert advisor see the setup and it opens the trade. This is how the system works. Just like this one, it was going down, down, down. Let's say, for example, it is bouncing from 61%, right? And there's a reversal candle. Right after the reversal candle, my alarm beep on a 40-minute chart. So I'm aware that, okay, something is beeping and I see that, whatever. And I make the sound recording, my own sound, like and I inserted that those sound wave in the ear. It says like if there's a reversal candle on GJ for the bullish reversal candle, and then I will hear my own voice like GJ long, GJ long, GJ long again and again, and I know what the heck is that without looking at the chart. I know wherever I am, if I'm watching TV, whatever, the UJ short, EU long, right? So they start, saying this. And my ear starts saying that and things if the reversal candle is in place. And all I have to do is come and place my expert advisor CTS 7 on the 7-minute chart so that as soon as the entry comes, it will open the trade. Or most of the time, it's already there, right? But I just get the notification that yes, the trade is about to happen, and it happens. All right. So this is it for now for the weekly recap. And but there is something that I want to mention that on my website you will probably find somewhere here, probably under one-on-one coaching. You will see it's not there yet. Okay, so Omar said that he hasn't placed the page here just yet, but I think that he will tonight. And it will be like a 1 hour Zoom session, not the whole course. For those who have done the whole course, probably already, and but they still have some kind of confusion, or some people wants to do the revision, right? Of something, maybe Elliott wave, maybe they want to revise or something. So they can only sign up for 1 hour, where I'll just quickly and fast mode, I will revise the whole thing or whatever. And if you want to learn something, my system, my entry system or whatever, right? So you can just sign up for only 1 hour Zoom class, and just tell me that what do you want to learn, and then I'll prepare myself, and without wasting time, I'll get onto it so that I can teach you as much as possible within that 1 hour time frame. Right? At least one of the topic, whatever the topic is, that I'll cover that. Right? For example, if you want to learn about harmonic pattern, a specific one, maybe Gertley or butterfly, how does it work, and what how the flip calculation is, then 1 hour is enough to explain the whole thing, right? So whenever, because I get a lot of emails and I don't get time for that, right? So, but this way, I get something for my time, and then you will get the professional teaching, right? So this is how it is. So pay attention to that, and you might need that, right? So this is it for now. And next video, I'll probably make for gold, and then I will cover the Bitcoin as well, right? So bye for now, and hope you have a wonderful weekend, and talk to you guys later in my next video.